QI Wireless Solar Power Bank by Blever. Package contents: wireless power bank, user manual, compass kit, and cable. Type-C and micro USB input, USB and wireless output. How to use: connecting your devices to the USB port with included cable. Place your phone on the key area. Press down the power button. The green charging indicator flashes, and the charger will automatically charge your phone. Blever Solar Wireless Power Bank is equipped with dual flashlights. Long press the power button to turn on or turn off the flashlight. IPX4, splash-proof, shock-proof, dust-proof, sturdy, durable, portable. Always ready to go. Blever Power Bank is a great company for traveling, climbing, riding, business trip, holiday vacation, an awesome gift idea for families or friends. Wireless charger, solar charger, power bank, dual flashlight, compass kit ring, 1 for 5 purposes. Blever Power Bank has passed UL 2056 tests and gained Total Quality Assurance certificate. Blever.
B-Bird Ear Clean Smart Visual Ear Clean Rod M9 Pro. Use the video. Scan QR code and install B-Bird Ear Clean app. Open the cover. Power on automatically. Blue light is flickering under the connection status. Blue light remains on after the connection is finished. When connecting Wi-Fi with a mobile phone, please choose B-Bird. Choose the model M9 Pro. Installation and replacement steps of our ear spoon head. Replace the ear spoon and unscrew the fixed cap. Pull out the ear spoon and replace. Insert directly and buckle up the ear spoon head. Sheath the fixed cap and screw it. Buckle up the ear spoon head well and screw the fixed cap. Lens 25 degrees Celsius. Comfortable body temperature feeling. Professional waterproof lens does not fear challenges. Gesture teaching of products. Hold the product with fingers. The hand is fixed at the side face and rotate the product with fingers. 4-axis gyroscope. The image of picking ears is stable. When cleaning ears for others, please sit up and do not bend your waist. Alcohol swabs. The picture of cleaning the ear spoon. Should there be no alcohol swabs, clean with water and dry it with a gauze. Silver massage rod. Massage the auricle and relax your mind and body while touching with Villus. Base storage bin. Integrate charging base and accessory storage bin. There are more alternative ear spoon accessories. The green light is on when being charged and off when it is fully charged. Blue light flickers quickly when it is power off. Product abnormal response options. When app is connected, it shows not connected. Download app and reinstall. Please check if correct version number is connected and confirm whether app is downloaded correctly. Refuse to be connected Wi-Fi. There are other mobile devices around connecting the Wi-Fi, and reconnect when the machine is shut down and restarted. Black screen, crashed screen. Download app, reinstall, and try again. Blur lens appears after it is used for a period. Clean the lens with alcohol swabs. It cannot be charged. Turn the machine body. Check whether spring contacts at the base are abnormal or not. It cannot be started up again after being charged. Check whether it is charged normally, power is sufficient or not. B-Bird Ear Clean. Bring home the enjoyment of smart ear clean.